Most people would have walked away from this Range Rover. The paint was tired, the interior had seen better days, and under the hood, well, there was a reason it was selling for just $11,000. But sometimes, hidden beneath years of wear and neglect, there's something worth saving. When I first saw this Land Rover Range Rover, I didn't see a problem. I saw potential. A luxury SUV that once turned heads had been reduced to a shadow of its former self. Broken parts, faded finishes, mechanical issues, and countless signs of age were everywhere. The challenge was simple. Could we take an $11,000 Range Rover and bring it back to life? Not just repair it, not just make it run, but fully restore it into the premium luxury machine it was always meant to be. From rebuilding critical components, to transforming the interior, to bringing back that iconic Range Rover presence, this is the complete journey of turning a bargain buy into something truly special. And trust me, the final result is nothing short of incredible. It's hard to believe this is the same vehicle. What started as a tired, neglected Range Rover has been transformed into a luxury SUV worthy of the road once again. Every panel, every detail, every hour of work, it all led to this moment. The engine runs stronger, the interior feels premium again, and the presence this Range Rover carries today is something it lost years ago. This project wasn't just about restoring a vehicle. It was about proving that with enough patience, skill, and determination, even a forgotten machine can be given a second chance. From an $11,000 gamble to a head-turning masterpiece. The journey was long. The challenges were real. But seeing the final result makes every obstacle worth it. This Range Rover is no longer a project. It's a statement. A reminder that sometimes the best transformations begin with something everyone else overlooks. Thank you for being part of the journey. And if you enjoyed watching this restoration, make sure to subscribe, because the next project might be even bigger.